As you know, there are a new series of RTX cards which were launched a few months ago. That is starting off with the RTX 2060, the RTX 2070 and the 2080 and 2080 Ti, bringing the new Turin architecture and the real-time tracing. And then later on, they also followed that up with their new Super series. Again, 2060 Super, 2070 Super and 2080 Super. So today we are going to talk about another Super that has just arrived. GTX, not RTX, GTX 1660 Super Edition. And I bring forth to you this from Galax. So let's just dive into it, see how it looks, and I will do the unboxing of this. With my blade here. I finally got it opened. And yeah. It comes in the normal black box and there's no branding on the box, it's just a plain black matte box with good packaging and the leaflet from Galax. And before I delve into the card, they still offer you the 8-pin PCIe to 2 Molex connectors, which I honestly feel is not required, but hey, why not, I guess. Now I'm delving into the card, and this, my friends, is how this GPU looks like. So to take a quick glance of it, it got 2 fans to cool the heatsink that is attached. It's got a very large heatsink, widely spread across. It has the GeForce GTX branding over here with the 8-pin connector. It's black in color. It has a little bit of gray accents, which you can see if you're GeForce GTX. It has 2 fans, the normal Galax fans that you see in all the Galax graphic cards, and it has the metal backplate with a little accents of gray. So yeah, that's matches the design language. Coming to the I/O part of it, it has 1 DVI-D for retro monitor users who want to use it probably as a secondary monitor, and has an HDMI or a DP cable which you can also use. I believe you can also have a 3 monitor setup with different inputs. And yeah, that is how the card is. You can also see the copper pipes, which is you can also see through the heatsink, which means that there's a copper pipe flowing all the way. For those who don't like RGB, just want a basic graphic card to do the job well, I think one can consider this one. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and watch out for new videos like this, and tell me what you think about this card that you just saw. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, have a great evening and take care.